Hello my friends, it's Mujiba here. I'm going to be building passive digital wealth builder number 6, which is focused on increasing my holdings in artificial intelligence stocks. I'm going to build this as a pie on trading 212 using 10 stocks. The first 5 stocks will be monthly dividend paying stocks. These will be used to fund the building of the stocks within this pie, and the next 5 stocks are going to be AI related stocks, and the purpose of this pie is to build my holdings in the AI related stocks as well as increasing my holdings in the monthly dividend paying stocks. So all the dividends are going to be reinvested back into the pie to build my holdings in all 10 of these stocks. So let's get started. I'll show you the first 5 stocks, the monthly dividend paying stocks, which I'll be using in this pie. So the first one I'll be using is Horizon Technology Finance, and they pay a monthly dividend of 15.76. Sorry, not monthly. They pay a yearly dividend of 15.76, which is spread out every month. So the dividends are paid out monthly, and this is the yearly total, annual total of dividend yield. Okay, the next one just wanted to clarify that. So the next stock I'll be using is Orchid Island Capital, and they pay a monthly dividend, and their annual dividend yield is 17.87%, and this one is a mortgage REIT. Okay, let's go to the third stock. Is Oxford Square Capital. That's the one, and they have a dividend yield of 15.85%, and they're in the asset management industry in the financial services sector. And the next stock I'll be putting into the pie is Prospect Capital. Prospect Capital, and they offer a dividend yield of 15.88%, and they're in the asset management industry in the financial services sector. And the next stock I'll be using is Stellis Capital Investment, and they have a annual dividend yield of 11.55%, and they pay this distributed monthly. So they pay a monthly dividend, and they're in the asset management industry in the financial services sector. So these are the 5 stocks, monthly dividend paying stocks, I'll be using to fund the building of the stock value within this pie. And the next 5 are the AI stocks which I will be building my holdings in. The first one is PANW, Palo Alto Networks, and I believe that the stock price of this will increase significantly in the future. They're not paying out any dividends currently. So this is my first AI stock in the pie. And the next stock is going to be SAP on the New York Stock Exchange, SAP. And I believe the value of this stock is going to increase in the future as well. So I'll be building, increasing my holdings in this stock using this pie. And currently they're paying a dividend of 0.92%. And the next stock I'm going to put into this pie is ANET, Arista Networks. And I also believe that the price of this stock is going to increase significantly in the future, so I'll be adding it to the pie. And currently they're not paying any dividends. And the next one is going to be next stock. Rigetti Computing on the Nasdaq. I believe that this stock is going to increase in value even though it's taken a dip and it started increasing again. Currently they're not paying any dividends. And the next AI related stock I want to place into the pie is Micron Technology on the Nasdaq. That's the one. And I believe the value of this stock is going to increase. The price is going to increase significantly in the future, and this is getting placed into the pie. Micron Technology. And currently they're paying a dividend of 0.45%. So all the monthly dividends from this pie is going to be reinvested back into the pie, spread across all 10 stocks, so which will continue to increase my holdings in each of the stocks in the pie. So it's a dividend reinvestment program that I'm using, and from time to time I'll also put in additional money into the pie apart from the dividends, but all the dividends are going to get reinvested back into the pie. So let's start building the pie now. New pie, build a custom pie, add instruments, again. Okay, the first one is Horizon Technology Finance on the Nasdaq. That's the one. Next one is Orchid Island Capital. Orchid Island Capital on the New York Stock Exchange. That's the one. And the next one is Oxford Square Capital. Oxford Square Capital on the Nasdaq. And the next one is Prospect Capital. Prospect Capital on the Nasdaq. The next monthly dividend paying stock is Stellus. Stellus Capital Investment on the New York Stock Exchange. That's the one. Okay, now for the AI stocks. PANW. Palo Alto Networks. Okay, that one's in there now. Next one is SAP. Okay, the one on the New York Stock Exchange. That's the one to go for. That's been added. The next one is ANET. Arista Networks. And the next one is Brigetti Computing on the Nasdaq. Okay, and the next one is Micron Technology. Micron Technology on the Nasdaq. Yeah, that's one. Okay, so let's see how many stocks I've got in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, all 10 of them are in there. Start creating the pie. Okay, and I'm going to go for manual investment. Next, and I'm going to name the pie and call it PDWB 0006 AI. So it's passive digital wealth builder number 6, and it's focused on the artificial intelligence related stocks, AI. So create the pie. Okay, the funding is self-balancing, and I'm going to invest £100 into the pie. Next, and we are ready to go. Confirm. Your request will be processed after the following markets open: Nasdaq and the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, click on OK, and that's all set, ready to go. Once the markets open, the investments will go into the pie and get distributed across the 10 stocks within the pie. And I've set it at a equal distribution. So roughly £10 will get put into each of the stocks, and all the dividends are going to get reinvested back into the pie, which will build the holdings of all the stocks in the pie, along with the monthly dividend paying stocks, as well as the AI related stocks. So as with all the videos on my channel, the content is not to be taken as financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor, not a qualified financial advisor. I'm doing this to show you how I'm building my own portfolio, stocks portfolio on Trading 212. And these are some of the tools and techniques that I'm using to build my holdings on Trading 212. I have set a goal of building a stock portfolio of £100,000 on Trading 212. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and continue watching the videos to see how I progress towards my goal of getting to £100,000 invested in my stocks portfolio on Trading 212. Thank you for watching the video.